What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Simple Kitchen. And today on Simple Kitchen, I'm going to be cooking you guys some fried shrimp. The best fried shrimp in the world. We're going to be doing that today on Simple Kitchen. So let's see what we got. Alright guys, so here's all that we need, all that we're going to use for the ingredients. We have some onion powder right here. We have garlic powder, black pepper, seasonal, and panko. That's all we need, guys. That's all you need. Real simple stuff. So here we have the jumbo sized shrimps marinating in salt water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Give it that extra flavor. You know how we do it here at Simple Kitchen. So here we have all the mixture, guys. I have 2 eggs right here for the egg batter, and I have some milk. You know, for the egg wash. Sorry about that. 2 eggs for the egg wash, and the milk is just to add to that. I have the panko, and I have a cup of panko and about a cup of all-purpose flour. So now we're gonna get mixing, guys. So let's do this. Okay, guys. So before we get mixing, we're gonna go ahead and get the pot hot, get the oil hot, ready for frying. And for the shrimp, you don't need too much oil. Probably like 2 cups of oil or a cup and a half. So yeah, that's perfect right there. So about 2 cups of oil. That's all we need, guys. That is all we need. So while the oil is getting hot on medium heat, we're going to go ahead and start mixing. So let's get it. You know. Okay, guys. So first thing first. I have a tablespoon of seasonal right here. I'm going to put that in the flour. I have half teaspoon of black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder in here. And you can add whatever season you want, guys, like whatever you want to add. If you want to add peppers to it, whatever. But we're just gonna keep it simple here. You know, so let's get mixing. Can't find out to mix this up. So mix all that seasoning in there, guys. And without the seasoning, your shrimp gonna just taste like nothing. So you want to make sure you get that thing just right. You know what I'm saying? Real good. There we go. And it's real easy, guys. This thing is real easy. That's it. That's the flour right there for you. And our eggs, we'll make the egg wash. Get me a fork. We'll go ahead and mix. Yeah. And this is my plan, guys. So now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to add the milk to it after you mix it. And this is about 1/4 cup of milk. So we're going to go ahead and mix that in. And make sure you get the flick of the wrist good, guys. Perfect, you know what I'm saying? Look at the flick of the wrist. Yeah. Alright, so we have all that. So now we're going to drain our shrimp right now, guys. As I said, I have this in the salt water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Give it that extra flavor. You already know. Alright. So here's our shrimp right here. Fully drained. Make sure they're fully drained. Okay. So now we're just waiting for the oil to get hot. Let me see. Nope. It's not hot enough yet, so I guess turn the heat all the way up, guys. Probably should have had the oil on earlier, but alright, turn that heat up. We're gonna let that go. So we're going to just let the oil get hot, guys. Then we're going to get to frying. That's how we're going to do it. At Simple Kitchen. You know. Okay, guys. So now our oil is hot enough. So now we're going to get to frying. So here, guys, I have the setup right here. We have the stages. First, we're going to go flour, egg wash, then panko. You know, so let's get to it. Let's go. I hope y'all can see it. Yeah, we're gonna get that shrimp real nice and coated. You know what, guys? As a matter of fact, we're gonna turn the heat down. Because we're gonna have, what we're gonna do, we're gonna have the shrimp sit for about 5 minutes after we get it battered, completely battered. Just so that batter can sit on the shrimp. Because if we put it right in the oil directly, you go after battering, the breading gonna fall right off there. You know, so let's wait a minute. Okay. We have the panko right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And we're going to just set it right down on the cutting board for about 5 minutes. Let's get them going. Egg wash first, then panko. Beautiful. Let's do 2 at a time just to get it done, guys. Just to get it done. Real simple stuff, guys. Real simple stuff. Nothing too complicated. Simple kitchen, we keep it simple. You know. God's plan. God's plan. I wish I could play some music, guys, in the background, but YouTube won't allow me to upload my video with music playing in the background. You know, it's real lame, but it is what it is. You know, people own their copyright, so I can't tell them how to do their stuff, do their thing. Yeah. It's alright though. I'm gonna just start singing for you guys. Nah, that ain't gonna happen. I can do a little bit of singing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna just stick to what I do best, and that's cooking. You know. Stick to what I do best, that's cooking. She said, do you love me? And I tell her hardly. I only love my kids and my mom. I'm sorry. Now it's a little bit more panko to this. Yeah. And don't worry, guys, I have way better content coming here soon. Way better content coming. Your boy gonna be getting it in here soon. So we'll see. All right. So here we go. Took me a minute, but we got them done, guys. All breaded. Okay, guys, so now that we have all the shrimp done, we're gonna start frying them up. See how it goes. Let's just gently place them in. And we don't want to overstack them, guys, so like probably 5 or 6 at a time. Turn this down a little bit. Take out for one more. Yeah. And with these shrimp, with the panko, you know they're done when they're golden brown, guys. We're gonna do that. Now we just wait. Okay guys, so the first batch is done. We're going to just keep it on the paper towel for now just to chop all that extra oil. And you know it's done, guys, when you start getting off that orange tail, the orange look. You know it's done. Or it's temping out at 145 degrees. Just get you one of these. So now we're going to do the second batch. And I had to turn the heat down a little bit. Just so I don't cook them too quick. Ba-bam! Turn it back up a little bit. Need them cooked. Okay guys, that is a finished product right there. Okay guys, so that's the dish right there. This thing is some tasty fried shrimp. I was a little shocked. I was kind of surprised, but I know they was gonna come out real good, but they came out perfectly, guys. Beautiful. So y'all gotta give this a try, definitely, for real. Like real simple, real easy. Just follow the step-by-step procedure, and you'll be good to go, guys. Don't forget, guys, go check out my previous videos. You know, and I have a lot more to come, so just do your boy a favor, comment, like, subscribe, share the video, help get your boy up out there, you know what I'm saying, and you know, just recommend the video to friends and family, and just, that's it, you know, holla back at your boy. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.